traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think this move up is a wave 5. Now, wave 5 definitely could end around this high, but I still think based on the weekly time frame that we have, a little bit more upside potential, probably getting us all the way up to about the 157, maybe 156 area. So going down to the weekly time frame is where I believe this right here is the end of a wave 3. I think this is an ABC of 4, which would make this right here a 1 and this a 2. If this right here really is a wave 3, then it needs to be at least as big or even bigger than a wave 1, which we're not even to the 100% level yet, which is why I still think this is going to stretch out probably at least to the 156, 157 area to make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. Probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm watching these fib levels for areas of resistance. I'm sure once it hits that area, it is going to pull back. But you have to notice ever since we ended a correction way back here, which I think is a 1 and an ABC of 2, I think we're at a wave 3. And we have been making higher highs, higher lows, and we are still making higher highs, higher lows, which tells me there's really no reason for me to try to identify the end of this move up, which I think is actually has a lot of upside potential because, like I said, if it is a wave 3 needs to go beyond the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected off the bottom of wave 2. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can see this uptrend starting to form the high low series. So for me, unless we get a breaker structure to the downside, I would definitely be looking for longs. We don't have a breaker structure. We don't have any lower highs. We definitely don't have a Fibonacci bounce, telling me that I am for sure continuing to look for longs on shorter time frames. Now we did just break this high right here, which could potentially make a pullback. Which honestly, if it does make a pullback, that's great for us because that's going to give us a chance to go long again at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, it probably is going to break structure on this 1 hour. But like I said, I bet it's just going to be another pullback. I bet it's just going to make another three-wave pattern to the downside. So if you see another 3 waves down, another A, B, and C shape to the downside, then I would be trying to get long at the end of this 3-wave pattern to the downside for the continuation of the uptrend. At least until I see a breaker structure to the downside on the 4 hour time frame and up, I would 100% for sure be looking for longs. It kind of even looks like this is a 1, 2, maybe this is a 3, maybe a 4, and then potentially go up for a wave 5. Or it's just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.